Diane and Denmark here. Good morning, and I hope you're fine and well. Just a quick check-in with you today. As I mentioned to you a few days ago, that the family are on Easter break. You know, we've been on lockdown for several weeks, but at least there's no school or work online for the next few days. And I'm having just a nice break with family, tackling a few projects. I've been doing a wee bit of painting here and there, working out in the garden. The weather is good though, there's still a wee bit cool, and you know, we're just enjoying our usual Easter food that we have here in Denmark. I've made videos about that before if you want to know how we celebrate in Denmark. The shops are closed for many days, usually over Easter. Of course everything is closed here right now, but we've got our Easter beer already to go, and also some specially coloured Easter Flylady. I've also got a video about that, what Flylady are. And otherwise just doing our usual thing, getting dressed to shoes, not doing too much about the hair, but just taking it easy, and we've been trying out a couple of new things the last couple of days. One, you know, my recipe for overnight rolls, you know the one that you just mix and put together in a bowl. You don't have to knead it or anything like that, and then the next day or from morning until evening you scoop out and bake it. So these are the rolls. And actually I've tried doing it as a loaf, so I took half the mixture and put it into a loaf tin, and this has actually worked quite well. So if you want to play around with it, there we go. I've just started slicing it a wee bit up of this one. And the other thing that we've tried, because it's been all over the internet, is the iced coffee. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's called Dalgona Coffee, and I'll put a wee video here and I'll show you how it's made. 2 of coffee, 2 of sugar, 2 of hot water, 1, 2. Voila, I can almost tip it on my head. Cocoa powder. Right, and all ready for a wee break in the garden. And it's quite interesting from a kind of science point of view about how it works. And while the coffee is nice, at the end of the day we prefer to just kind of mix it up and drink it as a usual coffee. Anyway, it's just been fun to try a few different things over the Easter break, and I'm going to get back to the family and get back to my painting. I was painting parts of the birds' room, you know, Tweet and Sparky's room, the other day, and today I am sanding down some of the little bangs on skirting boards, you know, the baseboards and doors. You know, quite often they'll get chipped over time, and it's nice just to give them a quick sand down and a couple of coats of paint, and everything looks good again. So anyway, I hope you're having a good Easter break. I shall see you when I see you. If I'm not posting here or I'm not posting on Instagram, don't worry, I'm just spending time with the family. And you know, we all need to take a break and maybe change things up a bit. And anyway, see you when I see you. And I'll just give you a wee goodbye with my usual pom-pom thing. So anyway, live long and prosper. May the Danish Easter be with you. Cheers, or skål as we say. And I'll see you very soon. Okay, rah, rah, rah.